Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English. This is Series 1A. We are going to learn the language with the scriptures. I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau, freelance language teacher. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. It is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Yawng ngwi pyaw kham ja ngau ga Ndai Series 1A go Chyum laika the rao ngwi ga bo re ngai the rao Jinghpaw ga the English ga phe matut kaja laga. Firstly, please keep in your mind that the words in same color are same meaning. This is a series 1. We are going to study the scriptures which illustrates the attributes of God. I am going to use the English Bible, New King James Version, and the Kachin Bible, Joy Bra I, Jum Laika. Okay, let's learn the attributes of God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Karai Kasang a nsam kumla shingkang ni. The attributes of God. Karai Kasang a nsam kumla shingkang ni. Okay, let's start Series 1A. Spirit. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Wenyi. Spirit, Wenyi. I will read the scripture. John chapter 4, verse 24. God is a spirit, and those who worship him must worship in spirit and truth. Yawhan a laika dogbamli dogji kunmli Karai Kasang go Wenyi rainga I shipet nawku ni go Wenyi mung tengman mung nawku luna rainga I. John chapter 4 verse 24. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yawhan a laika dogba mali dogji kun mali. I hope you still remember the numbers in Kachin. Mali is 4. Kun mali is 24. Let me repeat again. John chapter 4 verse 24. Yawhan a laika dogba mali dogji kun mali. Let's learn and study every part of the scripture from this slide. God is a spirit. Karai Kasang go Wenyi rainga I. God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Karai Kasang. You will see here 2 different writing styles. Bold highlighted Karai Kasang is the origin writing style of a Kachin-Jinghpaw language. Without bold writing is simplified version of writing in Kachin-Jinghpaw. Let me repeat again. God, Karai Kasang. Is in Kachin-Jinghpaw, go, rainga I. Spirit, Wenyi. Let me repeat the sentence. God is a spirit. Karai Kasang go Wenyi rainga I. And those who worship him, shipet nawku ni go. And those who worship him, shipet nawku ni go. In spirit and truth. Wenyi mung tengman mung. In spirit and truth. Wenyi mung tengman mung. Worship nawku I must worship nawku luna rainga I. must worship nawku luna rainga ai. Let's memorize the scripture again. John chapter 4, verse 24. God is a spirit, and those who worship him must worship in spirit and truth. Yawhan togbamli togji kunmli Karai Kasang go Wenyi rainga ai shiphe nawku ani go Wenyi tha mung tengman ai tha mung nawku luna rainga ai. I hope you enjoy learning the scripture. Please do join next series. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Yawng nsam Karai Kasang shman yaw ga.